Hello, hello. Some of you asked me to give a little sneak peek about what's going on in the Summer Detox. So this is here my Health Academy, and then you just click on the Summer Detox, of course. And here it's very, very easy where you can find what. I've got a Gut Health 101 course, a community chat, it's all private, workshop calls, but we're going to start here. And actually here are all the downloads. And those are the most important thing. You can download them all here one by one, but I made it easy as well. So I've got suggested meals and shopping lists for vegetarian, vegan, and omnivore. So you can just choose whatever you feel like. Recipe guides. So for example, I can show you a little bit. It is full of like drinks, infused waters, juices, milks, smoothies, and dairy-free milks, of course, snacks, lunch, dinner, and then what we're going to do with the transition phase, and even desserts. And it's all beautifully made. Then we go back. So grocery shopping list, food diaries, different handouts. Also for the toxin load, it's very, very important to have a baseline. So you do assessment for toxic load, and then also like how many symptoms of toxicity you have. There are other like handouts for physical and emotional wellness, how to wash your vegetables. And then, of course, the guide. The guide is like the Bible of the Summer Detox. All the information about why you must detox, the daily schedule. But the good thing actually is that, so here you find already everything. But I will send you daily emails on what to do, what day. So it's very, very convenient. It is, you won't get overwhelmed. And I mean, and this is also like this Gut Health 101. You can just do it whenever you feel like. Sometimes there are some videos, sometimes there's videos and text, sometimes there's more text. But yeah, it is very amazing, this whole Summer Detox. So I hope you're going to join, and then I'll see you soon. Bye.